Welcome to this video on Yolo, a faster, easier, and smarter way to classify objects. This is an introductory video, and in the next episode of Image Detection, we will dive deep into the working of Yolo 9000. If you like our content, don't forget to hit subscribe button for more. Object detection is a computer vision technology that identifies and locates objects within an image or video. It involves two parts: identification or classification, and localization, which draws a bounding box around the object. The goal is to simulate human vision. Our objective is to study and work on methods like convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, to find a more easy and efficient solution for object detection. This technology can be helpful in areas like object counting, vehicle detection, and security. Various object detection techniques exist, including Haar Cascade Classifier, RCNN, deformable parts models, and Yolo. Yolo, or You Only Look Once, is a state-of-the-art real-time object detection system. It is known for being extremely fast and accurate, processing the whole image globally in one go and maintaining a high accuracy range. Yolo works by dividing the input image into an S-Tex-S grid. The grid cell where the center of an object falls is responsible for detecting that object. Each cell predicts bounding boxes and confidence scores. The process involves splitting the image into a grid, having each cell predict boxes and confidence, combining box and class predictions, and finally applying non-maximum suppression, or NMS, and threshold detections. Yolo uses a variant of DarkNet for its network architecture, which is a 53-layer network trained on ImageNet. For detection, 53 more layers are added, resulting in a 106-layer fully convolutional architecture. For our work, we downloaded a pre-trained weight file and the network configuration file. We implemented the model in Python and ran it on images of different sizes with quite good results. However, one result we observed is that Yolo sometimes struggles to detect small objects, such as birds in this example image. Vision 80 is a web-based object detection application developed in Python using the Flask framework. It takes an image as input, processes it, and returns the image with bounding boxes and a confidence score for each detected object.